Hello, and welcome. Today, we're diving into high-profit manufacturing business ideas. Perfect for beginners in developing countries. Starting a manufacturing business can be a game-changer, offering economic growth and job creation. Let's explore some viable options. First up, food processing. Developing countries often have abundant agricultural resources. Setting up a small-scale food processing unit to create packaged foods, snacks, or preserves can be highly profitable. Consider local fruits and vegetables for jams, pickles, or dried snacks. The key is to focus on quality and hygiene to meet market standards. Next, let's look at textile manufacturing. This industry has a vast global market. Start by producing clothing, home textiles, or even uniforms. Begin with a small workshop, focusing on specific products to minimize initial investment. Source raw materials locally to keep costs down and support local farmers. Another excellent option is plastics recycling. Plastic waste is a growing global problem, and recycling it can be both environmentally friendly and profitable. Collect plastic waste, process it into pellets, and sell them to manufacturers. This business requires relatively low capital and can have a significant positive impact on the environment. Then, there is soap and detergent manufacturing. These are essential household items. Start with a simple formula, and scale up as demand grows. Source raw materials locally. Ensure your products meet quality standards for consumer safety and market acceptance. Building materials manufacturing is also a good choice. As developing countries grow, the demand for affordable housing and infrastructure increases. Produce bricks, concrete blocks, or roofing tiles. Source local materials like sand and cement to cut costs and boost profitability. Consider furniture making. Many developing countries have skilled artisans. Start a workshop to produce furniture for homes, offices, or schools. Use locally available wood and materials. Focus on unique designs and quality craftsmanship. Finally, let's talk about packaging manufacturing. Every industry needs packaging. Produce cardboard boxes, plastic containers, or other packaging materials. This is a crucial support industry with consistent demand. Source your raw materials efficiently to stay competitive. Remember to start small, conduct thorough market research, and ensure you comply with all local regulations. Focus on quality, and always provide excellent customer service. Starting a manufacturing business can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Good luck!